that I'm doing fine. You guys are on my mind. You asked me what I wanted to be, and now I think the answer is plain to see. I wanna be famous. I wanna live close to the sun. I'll pack your bags 'cause I've already won. Everything to prove, nothing in my way. I'll get there one day. 'Cause I wanna be famous. Na 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 na. I wanna be famous. I wanna be famous.
Hey everybody, watch me go down head first! Woohoo! I can't get this taste out of my mouth!
Okay. I'll find something to get the taste out of your mouth. Ran out of juice.
Yay! No more worm taste in my... Whoa! What was that? It felt like a dance party jumping out of my face. You have the hiccup. These are... Hiccups? Ooh, they're real. Fun. Okay. I hate them now. I want them. To stop. Get rid of. These hiccups! Have you tried holding your breath? Great idea! Except if I don't breathe... I donated my hair to an awesome charity, and I brought a video to explain how it works.
Okay, you kids enjoy your boring movie while I go do a little yard work. Lousy landscaper never showed up.
Brace yourselves. This one's a real tearjerker. Ooh, right in the feels. So, let me get this straight.
I don't know who you are. I don't know what you want. But I have a very particular lack of skills. I will never be able to find you. But what I do have is $2 and a Casio wristwatch. You can have one of them.
Marco!
own yard.
It's the one place furry creatures feel at home. Bridget must be here. Speaking of, big furry creatures... Oh, no!
I'm on Blog TV with my phone.
Run away with the one that's gonna be there till it's done. Take the blame for the gun that's gonna be there for your son. If it's me, I don't know, but at least I'll make her smile. Would you lie here for a while? Would you lie here till I die? When I look at you, I can see right